Hi everyone, Dani from Fun-Keys here. Today we're going to learn how to play Mary Had a Little Lamb for beginners. But first, don't forget to subscribe. We're going to use both right and left hands. Let's start with the right hand. From fingers 1 to 5, let's place them in C, D, E, F and G. Then we'll play this. With my left hand, I'm only going to play two notes, C and G. If you want, you can use your fingers 1 and 3. And that was Mary Had a Little Lamb. Don't forget to subscribe. Bye bye.